How to transfer WhatsApp messages from old Android to a new Android phone. So if you want to transfer your WhatsApp messages from your old to your new phone, then what you need to do is first you need to just open up your WhatsApp application. After that, go with the top right, tap on settings. Now under settings, you need to go with chats option. Under chats, you need to scroll down and here you will have an option of transfer chats on the bottom of your screen. Tap on it and now here it says that if you want to transfer your chat history privately and have your most up-to-date messages without using your Google storage, then certain devices or device permissions are needed to connect to your new device. So you just need to simply go with start, which is on the bottom, and you need to transfer over Wi-Fi. So you need to allow the nearby Wi-Fi devices on your next screen to continue. So make sure that your other phone is also connected to the same Wi-Fi service, and make sure that you've turned on the location service and then go with continue, tap on allow, and then connect your both devices. Once you've connected your both devices, you will have a QR code on the other device. So you just need to simply scan the QR code. And once you've scanned the QR code, you need to go with accept and accept the invitation on your new device. Once you've accepted the invitation, then it will transfer all of your chats on your new device. So that's how you can transfer WhatsApp messages from old to your new Android phone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.